Okay, guys, today we are going to start lesson 4. Okay, lesson 4 is about multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. Multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. First, how to multiply and divide algebraic or like algebraic terms like, one second. First, I have to admit this, guys. Yes. So let's continue. How to multiply the like basis. Okay, like basis like 2 at the power of 2 times 2 at the power of 3. Okay, in this case, guys, it will equal the same base, which is 2, and I will just add the powers. Okay, so 2 at the power of 2 plus 3, so it will equal 2 at the power of 5. Okay, let's check this one. Actually, 2 at the power of 2, okay, means 2 times itself. Okay, 2 times, I mean. So 2 at the power of 2 equals 4. And 2 at the power of 3 means 2 times itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 means 8. So 4 times 8 equals 32. And this one, 2 at the power of 5, actually equals 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2. So it will equal 32. So now the important rule, if there is one term like a at the power of m times the same term, which is a at the power of n, so it will equal a at the power of m plus n. Okay, guys, are we clear till now?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, clear.
Yes, mister.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So this means, okay, multiplying the same basis, I'm just adding the powers. Okay, I'm just adding the powers.
مستر يعني احنا مش
Okay.
هنعمل 2 times 2 مش هنطلع 4 لا هنعمل 2
No,
قد
no,
بعض
no, no.
5.
Yes, exactly. I'm just adding the powers. Okay.
Okay, Mister.
So this means, in other words, I'm adding the indices. Okay. Okay. So this is in case of multiplying. Okay, if it's a division, guys, if it's a division like this, a at the power of m divided by a at the power of n. So this means it will equal a, the same base, okay, and then the power, I will subtract the powers or the indices. So m minus n. One numerical example like 2 at the power of 5 divided by 2 at the power of 3. Okay, so this one will equal 2 at the power of 5 minus 3, which will equal 2 at the power of 2. So 2 at the power of 2 means 2 multiplied by itself, so it will equal 4. Okay, actually 2 at the power of 5, if I want to check that am I correct or not, 2 at the power of 5, we said that it's 32. 2 at the power of 3 means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times means 8. So 32 divided by 8 means 4. So we are correct 100%. So guys, in case of multiplying the like basis, okay, I'm just adding the indices. So 2 at the power of 5 times 2 at the power of 3 equal 2 at the power of 5 plus 3, so it will equal 2 at the power of 8. That's it.
طب مثلا ينفع بس سؤال
Uh-huh.
دلوقتي حضرتك قلت ان احنا بنعمل لو هي 2 باور 5 over 3 باور 4 لو مثلا يعني
لا انا قلت 2 باور 5 over 2 باور 3.
2
اوكي انا بقول for the like basis.
لازم يكون
البيزس are the same. اوكي يعني لو 2 over 5 يبقى divided by 2 over 3 or 2 over or 2 sorry 2 over 2 okay باور 3 مثلا. Okay, so the same base يعني 2 on the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Then the difference only on the power or the indices like 5 and 2.
فاحنا بناخد يعني الباورز نعملهم
In
different.
case of division, subtract 5 minus 2, which will
تمام.
equal 2 power 3.
تمام، والبيزس بقى بنحطها زي ما هي.
Yes, exactly.
لكن
Okay.
في المالتيبليكيشن حاجة مختلفة.
The multiplication, it will be the same procedure, but instead of subtracting the indices, I will add the indices. So 2 at the power of 3 times 2 at the power of 3 also. It will equal 2 at the power of 3 plus 3, which is the first power and second power. Okay? So
برضه ما بنعملش multiplying للبيزس.
no, 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 no. No, because
just add the powers.
just we will add the powers, okay? On multiplying, add the powers. On division, subtract the powers.
That,
Okay?
Mr. That if it will be equal 2 and 2.
Yes, same base, okay? I said that in the beginning, multiplying of like bases, like 5 power 2 times 5 power 3. Okay, so it will equal 5 at the power of 2 plus 3. So 5 at the power of 5. Okay? On division, just we will subtract. So 5 at the power of 5 divided by 5 at the power of 2, it will equal 5. And then subtract the powers. 5 minus 2.
5
minus 2 equals 3.
Yes,
5
which will
power
equal
3.
5 at the power of
5
3.
power 3.
Yes, exactly. Very good.
Okay.
So the first point in our lesson now, okay, is how to multiply the algebraic terms. Okay, so if there is one simple example like this one, guys, let me show you. If it's 2a times,
Okay.
so simply, guys, the first step, I'm going to multiply the coefficients, which is 2 and 2.
مستر
2 times 2.
مستر
Mhm.
انا بس ممكن اسال سؤال في الاكزامبلز اللي حضرتك كنت عاملها قبل كده احنا ما كناش ما ينفعش نحط الباورز على الارقام ازاي حطيناها
يعني ايه ما ينفعش نحط الباورز على الارقام؟
واحنا بنحط الباورز على
المايك بتاعك اتقفل.
هو الارقام بتكون دايما على باور 0.
You are talking about the degree. This is different topic. Okay? But now I'm talking about multiplication and division, not related to the degree of that algebraic terms. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, but in case if I will multiply 2 power 3 times 2 power 2, in this case you have to add the indices. So it will equal 2 at the power of 3 plus 2. I'm adding the indices, which will equal 2 at the power of 5, which will equal finally 32. Now it's clear? And also in case of division, if I'm dividing 2 power 5 like this by 2 at the power of 2, so it will equal 2, then subtract the indices. So 5 minus 2, so it will equal 2 at the power of 3, which will equal 8. Okay, guys, this point is clear?
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister. It's clear.
Yes,
Okay.
I didn't understand it.
Again, I said that multiplying the like basis. Like basis means 3 and 3 times 3. This one at the power of 2 and this one at the power of 3. So this means it will equal the same base, which is 3, and the power will be 2 and 3. So I will add the powers 2 plus 3. So it will equal 3 at the power of 5, like this. Okay, guys? Now it's clear?
Yes.
Yes, mister.
Okay, very good. So if it's a division, okay, if it's a division like 3 at the power of 5 divided by 3 at the power of 2, it will equal 3, which is the same base, and then subtract the indices 5 minus 2.
3 power 3.
So 3 power 3,
3
which will
power 3.
which will
1
equal
So
3
it
times
will
9.
itself 3 times. So
9.
it will equal
No,
27.
27.
Okay, let's continue. So now about the multiplying of algebraic terms. About the multiplying of algebraic terms, if it's 2a times 2a, for example. Okay, or let me change it to make it also like 3a. So now, guys, what will be the first step? The first step, I'm going to multiply the coefficient. 2 times 3, so it will equal 6. And then multiply a times a. So now, like basis. Guys, please don't interrupt me until I finish, then you can ask. So a times a, it will equal a, then this one, of course, at the power of 1, and this one at the power of 1. So it means that 6a power 2. Okay, now you can ask, huh?
Okay, so when we can multiply the two bases right now.
No, we will not multiply the bases, okay? If they are same bases, we will just add the powers, okay?
If they are different, so we will multiply the bases.
If they are same base, okay, just we will add the indices, the powers. If they are different, like x times y squared, so it will equal xy squared.
Oh yes,
Like this,
so
because they are different bases, okay? So in this case, we have to write it in this form, okay? It's not like terms, okay?
that's why we multiply 2a by 3a, and then it's to give us 6a, and then 2 because of the powers. That
Yes. So just we will multiply the coefficients, 2 times the 3, so means 6, and a times a means a at the power of 2. Okay?
yeah.
Okay, very good. Then the next point, if it's like this, 5x squared,
3 power 3 equal 27.
because it's a 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. 3 times 3 means 9 times 3 equals 27.
Okay, thank you.
Like this, 3 at the power of 3 equals 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 means 9, times one more 3 means 27. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Then, guys, if I want to multiply 5x squared times 3x, as we said, guys, very simple. First, I will multiply the coefficients, 5 times 3, which will equal 15. Then x power 2 times x power 1, of course, so this one at the power of 1. So it will equal x at the power of 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1, so x power 3. That's it. Now it's clear?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Mr. Clear.
Okay. Okay, very good.
Yes, Mr.
So one more example, guys. I will solve this one. It's
Mister,
yes.
Mister,
Yes, I'm listening. Yes.
can you repeat this point again?
Yes, of course.
السلام عليكم يا مستر.
Alaikum salam. Okay, so how to multiply it again, guys? It was 5x squared times 3x. So we said that simply we are going to multiply the coefficients, 5 times 3. So it will equal 15. Then like basis, x and x, so it will equal x. Then I have to add the powers 2 and this one, of course, at the power of 1. So 2 plus 1 means 3. So it will equal 15x at the power of 3. Okay, now it's clear?
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
No,
Mr. Clear.
Mister, I didn't understand.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mr.
Okay,
Mister.
one more example, guys. One
Mister.
more example so that you can understand it.
مستر حضرتك بتشرح من الكتاب؟
5a power 3, yes. Yes, المعاصر. 5a at the
طب
power
حضرتك
of
في صفحة
3.
كام؟ بيجي كام؟
Lesson 4, page 59. 5a at the power of 3b times 3ab. Okay, now how to multiply this two expressions or two terms? First, I said that I have to multiply the coefficient of the first term with the coefficient of the second term. So 5 times 3 means 15, right?
Yes.
Then look for the next terms. A power 3, and here a, and this a, of course, at the power of 1. So it will equal a, then add the indices 3, and of course, this a at the power of 1. Okay, so a power 4. Then the last term, b at the power of 1 times b at the power of 1, so b at the power of 2. That's it. Now it becomes clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Mr.
Clear.
Okay. One more example like this one. If it's a 3 over 4, a squared times 4 over 3, a. Okay. Same steps, guys, same procedures. It will equal coefficient times coefficient. So it will equal 3 times 4 means 12 over 4 times 3 means 12. Then a power 2 times a power 1. We said that it will equal a, then add the indices 2 plus 1, which is 3. 12 over 12 means 1, right? So it will equal a power 3.
Mister, did we can make a decimal and multiply it?
Why? It's very easy. Why we convert it into decimal and take time, okay?
Sir,
It's a wasting of time so that we can multiply it. Normally, we can multiply the fractions like this. 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. So easily, I will multiply the numerator. So 6 over, then I will multiply the denominators. So 6 over 20. That's it. Okay, guys? Yes.
okay, Mr.
Okay, Mister.
Very clear. Mister, I have a question.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, what's
Yes,
the question?
Mister. Yes, Mister.
If Mister, it was if it was improper fraction like 24 over 3, what we will do?
24 over 3, then what?
لا 24 over 3 a power 2
A power 2?
multiply multiple 12 over 1 12 over 4 with a power 5.
Okay, so it will be the same, no problem. I will just multiply, okay, the coefficients, but you just give me a fractions that's 24 over 3 means 8, you know? So let's change it. Let's change it to different numbers so that we can solve it properly. Okay, I will change it instead of all this because also it must 12 over 4. Yes, we can simplify this. 12 over 4 equals 3. So let me write down like 2 or 12 over 5. Okay, it's improper fraction. Okay, and the second one, if it's like 5 over 3. Okay, 2 improper fractions. So in this case, guys, as I told you, I'm going to multiply the coefficients. So 12 times 5 means 60 over 3 over 5 times 5, sorry. So it will equal 15.
So it will be 12 over 3.
Mister, can I ask a question?
Let's continue and be quiet, guys. What's this screaming?
Mister.
Okay, then just 1 second, let me continue. Then a at the power of 2 times a at the power of 5. So it will
Mister-
equal the same base, means a, and then power of 2 and power of 5. So 2 plus 5 means a at the power of 7.
Mister,
Then we
can
can
it be
simplify.
12 over 3, a power 7?
Then we
Mister-
can simplify this term. Guys, be patient and listen to me. I know
Can I-
that all of you are excellent, but listen. Then I can simplify this term. It's 60 over 15. So simply, guys, I
It
can
will be
divide
12
it
over
by
3.
5. So 12 over 3. Okay.
Mister, can I ask something? Can I say something?
We can simplify
Also,
it
I can simplify this one. Okay, so it will equal 4.
4.
A power 7, which will equal 4 a at the power of 7, like this.
Mister, can I say something?
Yes.
Easy question.
Mister, it's the first one, Mister. We can for go 5 go with 5, and it will the remain will be 12 over 3. Then
Yes.
we will make it 4. It will be 4a power 7 before.
Exactly. We can simplify it while the operation, like we can divide this 5 with this 5. Okay, and it also 12 with 3. 12
Come.
Guys, if I heard any voice like this, okay, unfortunately, I will. I don't know. You are at the first prep. You are not kids.
You can remove
If you are
him.
KG1 or KG2 or grade 1, it's okay. Then why these voices and
Mister, remove
screaming?
him.
مستر في واحد هو اللي بيعمل كده يعني مش احنا فحضرتك ممكن تعمله ريموف.
Mister, someone his name Hani. I saw
Mister.
in my log. Console log.
مستر في حد دخل بإيموجي، في إيموجي حطه.
يا مستر هاني، يا مستر اللي بيعمل الصوت ده واحد اسمه هاني.
لا مستر في حد مش معروف، مش كاتب اسم، حاطط
هو ده
إيموجي.
ما هو ده هاني.
Okay, guys, no problem. Okay, no problem. If you will repeat this again, I will
Mister, you
remove
can
him
mute
from...
everyone.
Okay, let's
Yes,
continue.
Mister.
Let's continue, not to waste our time. Okay. So, one more example. If it's 2 over 5, x power 2 times negative 15 x power 3. Okay, in this case, guys, like before, I'm going first to multiply the coefficients. Okay, so 2 times negative 15. Actually, negative 15, as we said before,
This sound.
Can you remove
Mister,
him?
kick him out, please.
Can you remove him?
Yes, I will. Okay.
Putting his name is
I removed
emoji
him,
kick
guys.
him.
You remove
I
him?
removed
Thank
him.
you, Mister.
I removed him. Don't worry. Okay, so
Thank you,
let's
Mister.
continue our session.
Mister.
So now, guys,
Thank you, Mister.
we said that actually negative 15 means negative 15 over 1, right? So now there are two options. The first option to multiply the two numbers like 2 times negative 15. So it will equal negative 30 and then multiply the denominators, which is 5 times 1, which will equal 5. And then negative 30 over 5, it will equal, of course, negative 6. Or otherwise, okay, I can simplify it, okay, first. So negative 15 divided by 5 means a negative 3. So negative 3 times 2 means a negative 6 also. So I have the two options. Then the next point, x power 2 times x power 3, same base. So it will equal x. Then power 2 and power 3, add the powers. 2 plus 3 means 5. That's it. So it will equal negative 6 x at the power of 5. Okay, one important point, guys, before I continue, one important point. Multiplication of two negative values equals positive value. Multiplication of two positive values,
It will be
Equal
positive.
positive.
yes, very good. But if the two signs are different, like
It will be
negative,
It would be negative.
Negative.
Will be negative.
yes, like before, guys, as we said, the two signs are the same, so positive. Two different signs means negative.
Negative.
Mister.
Also the
Actually,
same,
I love this rule about the multiplying. It's very
مستر حسب يا مستر، يعني مثلا ممكن مستر يكون مثلا 12 subtract مثلا minus 5 هتبقى مثلا negative هتبقى 7.
you mean that 12 subtract what?
5.
5?
No, add with negative 5.
Add with negative 5.
على
Like
فكرة
this.
هي
Okay, so this is positive, okay? Times negative means 12 minus 5. That's it. So
مستر
it will equal 7.
أنا قصدي لو كتبناها برضه تبقى هي يعني.
No
مستر
difference, guys.
العادي يا مستر، هو الرقم العادي باور اوف كام؟
Any number at the power of 1, of course.
any number. Okay.
Yes, so 2 means 2 at the power of 1. Okay?
Okay.
And also, guys, any number or any variable at the power of 0, okay, like 2 at the power of 0 or x at the power of 0, this one simply means it will equal 1. Okay?
Okay.
But at power of 0 it will be 1.
Okay.
Yes, guys, anything at the power of 0 equals 1.
I
Okay?
thought it equals 0.
No. It will equal 1. Okay?
Oh yes. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
mister.
Then again, guys, as I told you, if it's two same signs, then multiply, it will be positive.
If the two different signs will
Two
be
different signs,
negative.
okay,
It will be negative.
it will be negative. And also, guys, this rule applied also on division. So if I will divide two negative numbers or two positive numbers, it will be positive. If I will divide positive and negative, negative and positive, so also it will be negative. So this rule, guys, actually for multiplication and the division. Okay, are we clear till now?
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, very good. Then I'm going to solve more examples like 2a. Switch off your microphones, guys, because some noise is coming from your microphones. So 2a times a negative 3ab, it will equal. How to solve this one? It's very easy. First, I'm going to multiply the coefficients 2 and negative 3. Don't forget the sign. So 2 times a negative 3
It will
means
be negative
6.
6ab.
Then
Negative 6a
a times a,
Times a
power 2b.
okay, so a times a means a power 1 times a power 1, which is a power 2, and then b. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yes, mister. Mister, I can't hear you clear. There's a little noise.
Okay, I will mute this guy so that he's making a noise also. Okay.
Thank you, mister.
You're welcome. Okay, then the next question. Just 1 second, guys, please. Just 1 second. Then the next question, it will be negative 2x squared y times 3xy squared. Okay, so this one is times, so I will change its color. Just 1 second so that we can differentiate between them. It's like this. Okay.
Please.
First, I will multiply the coefficients, -2 times 3, so -6. Then x power 2 and x, same basis, so x, and then add the powers 2 and 1, so 3. Then y at the power of 1 and y at the power of 2, which will equal y at the power of 3.
3.
This one is clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
Mister.
Yes, Mr. Clear.
Yes,
Okay,
Mr.
very
Yes,
good.
Mr. Clear.
Next one, if it's 2 over 3 m squared n,
Mister.
9 over 4
Mister,
n.
can I solve it?
No, let me explain first, then we are going to solve the questions. So here, guys, as I told you, there are two options. We can simplify the coefficients, or we can multiply them directly, then simplify. Okay, so now I will simplify first. Okay, actually this 9 is divided by 3, so this means 3. And here 2 and 4, I will divide by 2, so means 1, and here 2. So now the coefficient becomes 1 times 3 over 2, so it will equal 3 over 2. Then m squared. Do we have m here? No, so I will write it m squared. Then n at the power of 1 times n at the power of 1, so this means n squared. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yes, Mister. Yes, Mister.
Okay, very good.
Mister, I don't understand.
Again, no problem. Again, I will write it 2 over 3 m squared n times 9 over 4 n. N, not m. N, like this. How to multiply this one, guys? As I told you, first we will multiply the coefficients, then we will multiply the terms or the algebraic terms. So first I will multiply 2 over 3 times 9 over 4. In this case, I have two options. The first option, as I said, I can multiply the coefficients directly, then simplify, or otherwise I can simplify them from the beginning. Okay, no problem. Let's multiply them. So 2 times 9 means 18 over 3 times 4 means 12. Okay, then m squared times, do we have here a term on m? No, so m squared times 1. So this means m squared. It will be the same. Then n at the power of 1 times n at the power of 1. So it will equal n at the power of 2. Okay, now simplify this term. 18 over 12. Okay, so we can divide it by 3. Yes, we can. So 18 divided by 3 means 6.
About
12.
مستر لو 16 2 و 3 ممكن نعمل على divide 6 2 و 3
12. Okay, 12 divided by 3, it will equal 4. Okay, again, can we simplify it? Yes, we can divide it by 2. So this means 6 divided by 2 means 3. 4 divided by 2 means 2. So it will equal 3 over 2. Then the term m squared n squared. Now it's clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, it's
Mr.
clear.
Mister.
Yes,
Okay.
Mr.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, very
Mister,
good.
can you hear me?
Yes. Then the second part in this lesson, it's about dividing the algebraic terms. Okay, now it's very easy. How to divide the algebraic terms. It's very easy actually, guys. If it's a 12, a power 3 divided by 3a. Okay. As we explained, guys, the first step, I will divide this time the coefficients. So 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Then divide the algebraic expression. Here, a power 3 divided by a. So this means it will equal a at the power of 3 minus this one, a at the power of 1, so minus 1. So it will equal a power 2. So a power 3 divided by a means a at the power of 2. Okay? Like basis, so that I'm subtracting the indices. Now it's clear, guys?
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister. It's
Okay.
clear.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Yes, it's clear, mister.
Okay, so let's continue.
Yes, it's clear, mister. Mister, can you start asking?
After we finish, okay? Because we still have different topics in this lesson. Okay.
Okay.
So next point, I'm going to solve one more example like this. Negative 15x squared y power 3 divided by
Mister,
5xy squared. Okay. So,
Mister, can I ask a question? I can't understand the last point.
which point you mean? Division?
Yes.
The division,
Okay.
I can understand the division.
Concentrate in this example. It will be the same steps exactly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank
how to
you.
divide these two terms? You're welcome. How to divide it? As I told you guys, I will divide the coefficient by the coefficient. So negative 15 divided by 5 means a negative 3. Are we clear till now?
Yes.
Then
Yes,
divide x
Yes.
power 2,
Yes, mister, yes.
x power 2 divided
yeah.
by x. So it's like this, x power 2 over x. So it means it will equal the same base, which is x. And then subtract the indices, here 2 and here 1. So 2 minus 1, which will equal x at the power of 1, which is x. Right?
Wi-Fi.
That's
Guys,
right.
just 1 minute, please, because right now Azan for Maghrib, okay, and actually my house is beside the mosque, so I will mute the microphone for 1 minute and then I will return back after Azan finish. Okay?
Okay, mister.
Okay, mister.
Thank
Okay,
you.
mister.
One more example. If I want to divide negative 24 a at the power of 5, b at the power of 3, c at the power of 2, I will divide it by negative 8 a squared b. Okay. How to divide this one? As usual, guys, the same procedures. I'm going to divide the two coefficients, negative 24 divided by negative 8. So negative divided by negative means we just said it since 5 minutes. So it will be positive. Two same signs. Okay, so 24 divided by 8 means 3. Then a at the power of 5 divided by a at the power of 2. Just subtract the indices. So a at the power of 3. Then the next term, b at the power of 3 divided by b at the power of 1, of course. So b at the power of 2. Then c at the power of 2 divided by 1, because there are no variable here like c, so it will equal c at the power of 2, the same. That's it. Now division is clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Clear.
Yes, it's clear. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Question?
Okay, guys, just 1 second. There is one important point. If I'm dividing, okay, if I'm dividing different terms, okay, like if I will divide 5a squared b squared over 5a squared b like this. So I will divide the two coefficients. 5 divided by 5 means 1. a squared over b squared means 1. b power 2 over b power 1 means b power 1, so equal b only. Now this one is also clear?
Mister,
Yes, mister.
no.
question.
Yes,
Mister, can I ask
No,
a
Mr. Can you tell again, please?
Yes, sure. If it's like this, guys, 5a squared b squared. It's 5a squared b
No,
squared.
Mr. No.
Uh-huh.
That's Y5.
y5?
يعني can you repeat again when you take 5, please?
This one you mean? This example?
Yes, 3 that no, that's 3
The one on the top?
a power 3.
That one on top? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we said that we will just divide the two coefficients. So negative 24 divided by negative 8. Okay, so it will equal 3.
Yeah.
Okay, then a at the power of 5 divided by a at the power of 2. We said that we will just subtract the indices. So a at the power of 5, a over a at the power of 2 means a at the power of 5 minus 2. So a at the power of 3. Are we clear till now?
Yes,
Oh,
mister.
yes.
yes, Mister.
Divide b at the
Miss-
power of
yeah,
3
clear.
over b. This b actually, we said that it's by default, it's at the power of 1. So b at the power of 3 over b at the power of 1 will equal b at the power of 3 minus 1, which is b at the power of 2. Then c at the power of 2. Do we have c here in the denominator? No. So it will equal the same value, c at the power of 2. Now it's clear?
Mister,
Yes,
can you repeat that
Mister,
point?
can I ask you a question?
That,
Yes.
Mister, if it came a question for a squared divided 2m squared, that's right? Like
4a squared divided by what?
2m squared.
2m squared? No, of course, this is totally wrong. Why? Because actually,
you're
okay,
unlike.
because actually there is m squared here, okay? And we don't have any variable like m on the numerator, then how you will divide it? This is different procedure, okay? This
Okay,
one is
Mister.
different procedure.
Okay.
Okay, so this means if you want to know the answer, okay, here is the answer. 4 divided by 2 means 2.
so,
And a squared divided by 1, because there is no a squared or a on the denominator, so a squared. Then what about this? M squared, okay? On the denominator, 1 over m squared. We said before, guys, 1 over m squared equals m at the power of negative 2. Again. If it's 1 over x, means
I don't
x,
understand, teacher.
because it doesn't relate it to you at all, okay? 1 over x, guys, it equals x at the power of negative 1, okay? But you don't have to know this because it's not related to you this year, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
Mister. Thank you.
Mister, thank
Can
you.
you repeat the last
Okay.
point?
Which one? You mean which one? Last
That's,
point, which one?
that's a question that 5 over 5.
Okay, we said that if it's 5a squared b squared over 5a squared b. So first, divide the coefficients. 5 divided by 5 means 1. A squared divided by a squared also means 1. Then b squared over b. So it will equal b at the power of 2 minus 1, right? So it will equal
5.
b. Only b, like this, which is b at the power of 1. But in case of power of 1, we don't write it, okay? Because by default, okay, of course, b means b at the power of 1, so it will equal b. Okay? Now it's
Okay,
clear?
thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Mister,
Yeah, it's clear.
so can we write one?
No, of course, we don't have to write it also, because actually, if I'm dividing b power 2, c power 3 over b power 2, c power 2, for example, so it will equal b power 2 over b power 2 means 1. C power 3 over c power 2 means c. So 1c means what? Means c, right?
Do you
That's
hear me,
why,
mister?
yes, that's why I'm not writing 1. So it will equal c. Because by default, this variable, we said before, 1 is the multiplicative neutral element, because 1 times c equals c times 1, all will equal c. So no need to add this one. Okay, just write it c. Okay,
Mister, do
guys?
you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now it's clear?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Okay, great, great. Then the next point, if I want to divide
Yes, mister.
مستر
negative
Yes, mister.
مستر احنا كده
x
لسه في
power
يونت
3.
4 لسه 4 قصدي.
Yes, yes, we still in lesson 4. X power 3, y power 2. If I will divide it by 4, x squared, y squared.
Yes.
How to solve this one? Same procedures. Divide the coefficients. Negative 12 divided by 4, so negative 3. X power 3 divided by x power 2, so x power 1, which is x. Y power 2 divided by y power 2 means 1, so it will equal only negative 3x. Now this one is clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
mister.
Clear.
Okay, great.
Yes, mister.
If it's like this, 10x at the power of 5 divided by a blank like this, so it will equal 2x power 3. How to solve this one? Actually, it's very easy. Now, guys, I divided this coefficient by a number here, so it equals 2. So, of course, here is 5, right? Then,
Yes.
now, x at the power of 5, I
5x
divided
squared.
by a variable,
X at the
so
power
that
of
it
2,
becomes
mister.
x at the power of 3. So this means 5, then x at the power
X
of 2.
squared.
Very good, very good. So this one is clear, guys?
Can you repeat it because يعني طلعت ودخلت تاني.
Okay, no problem, Farida. It's like this. 10x power 5 divided by something, so it will equal 2x power 3. How to get this value? Actually, there are two methods. The first one, this 2 was divided by a number so that it equals 2. So simply divided by 5, right?
Right.
Right.
Okay, then
Right,
x
madam.
power 5 divided by a number or a value so that it becomes x power 2. So this means x power 2, of course.
Yes, of course.
Otherwise, I can solve it different way. How? Actually, this one, 10x power 5, I divided by a value so that I get 2x power 3. Okay?
I didn't hear you.
Me,
Mister, there was a
like,
noisy sound I didn't hear.
yes.
I couldn't hear you.
مستر اللي قاعد يعمل
واحد بينفخ في المايك وخلاص.
مستر
I can't hear you.
مستر اللي بيعمل الصوت ده سيف وائل.
ايه يا مستر.
Okay, Shabab, try to be more quiet, please, so that you can understand. Switch off your microphones.
مستر في واحد قاعد ينفخ في المايك اسمه سيف وائل.
ممكن يكون بينفخ في المايك علشان يعرف بس صوته مش طالع.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, so now how to get this value here? Actually, we want to get this one, so it's very easy. I will just divide 10x power 5 by 2x power 3. So 10 divided by 2, it will equal 5. X power 5 divided by x power 3, it will equal x squared. So this one is 5x squared. That's it. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yes, Mister.
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, very good.
Yes, Mister. Thank you.
Mister, I have a question. Like, if it was like -10 uh x bar 2 c bar 3 مثلا
Okay.
divided +5 x only و c bar 4.
Okay.
I mean إنه
Actually,
الإكس دي
guys, okay. Such type of division, c power 3 over c power 4, okay, it will not come on your exam because it doesn't relate it to you at all. But anyhow, I will tell you about it. -10, if I will start the division, so I have to divide -10, which is the coefficient, by the coefficient, which is 5. So it will equal -2. Then x squared divided by x, which is x power 1, means only x. Now c power 3 divided by c power 4. We said that we will just subtract the indices. So c at the power of 3 minus 4. So c at the power of -1. That's it.
Easy.
Okay, guys, now it's clear?
okay.
Mister.
Yes.
Mister.
Mister,
Yeah, clear.
I can't understand.
Mister.
Mister, can I ask you a question?
Can I
Yes,
ask you a
sure.
question?
الحصة
Yes.
تخلص امتى يا مستر؟
Maybe within 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes.
Mister, can I
مستر
ask
ممكن
a
بس أسأل
question?
سؤال؟
Uh-huh.
مستر حضرتك قلت الحصة اللي فاتت اللي هو يوم الأحد والأربع اللي احنا لو في أسئلة ما كناش فاهمينها هنقولها النهاردة، فهنقولها النهاردة ولا الحصة بتاعت يوم الأربع؟
On the
عشان
next session,
الامتحان.
on Sunday, okay?
اوكي مستر.
Okay.
هو في مستر حصص الحد والأربع؟
Actually, this is a private sessions, okay?
بس حضرتك الحصة هتخلص امتى؟ ماشي.
Within 15 minutes. So can we continue?
Yes.
اتفضل يا مستر.
Okay, thank you. Next, guys, it will be lesson 5. It's about multiplying a monomial by an algebraic expression. How to multiply monomial. We said that, guys, before. Monomial means one term, right?
Right.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So
Right.
I mean now that how to multiply like 2x, which is a monomial, by algebraic expression, so that it's 3x plus 7y, for example. Okay, actually this one is very easy. How to do that, guys? How to do that? Simply, guys, I'm going to multiply this term by the first term. Then again, I will multiply the first term again to the second term. Then how to do that? Okay, first I said that I will multiply 2x by the first term. So 2 times 3, normal multiplication, so 6. X times x, same base, multiplication, add the indices, x power 2. Okay, then 2x multiplied by 7y. There is a positive, it's a positive 7y, so positive. Then 2 times 7 means 14. X times y means xy. That's it. Are we clear?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay,
Yes,
very
Mister,
good.
can you repeat it?
Again,
Yes,
again, again,
Mister.
again, one more example. One more example so that we can understand it well. I will multiply b times negative 2a plus a squared b. Okay. So now I said that I have to multiply b to the whole terms inside the bracket. So b first to this term. It will equal, first multiply the coefficients here, negative 2. And what will be the coefficient here? Of course, it's 1. So negative 2. Then b times a. So it will equal ba. Are we clear till now?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
clear.
Mister.
Then
Yes,
what will
Mister.
be the next step? I'm going to multiply b again to the second term. So b times ab, it's a positive ab. So positive a squared.
After is a square?
Yes, a
B
squared.
squared.
B times b means b
B
squared.
squared.
That's it.
Square.
Now it's more clear, guys.
Yes, Mister.
Yeah. مستر هي الكويستشن اللي قبلها الإكزامبل اللي قبل دي
Okay.
لو يعني 2 يعني مثلا دي نيجاتيف 2a ودي b باور 2 ينفع نعملهم addition؟
This is multiplication. You mean that add what exactly? يعني 2a
نيجاتيف
times
لا مش like 2a ونعملها بلس
You mean that we
2a
can add these two expressions, two terms? Of course, no. We said that addition and subtraction only like terms, right? So that I can only add x to x or 7x or 2y to negative 3y, but I can't add x to y. Okay?
Okay.
Because I'm adding or subtracting only like terms. Okay? Are we clear?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
Okay.
Mister.
Can you write another example because I don't understand?
Yes, again, one more example, sure. Negative 3ab times 5a minus 2b plus 3. So now I have to multiply negative 3ab to the whole elements inside the bracket. It's a 3 elements. Okay, so first I will multiply this one to this one. Okay, so negative 3 times 5 means a negative 15. ab times a, so a squared b. Then what will be the next step? This term, which is outside the bracket, to the second term.
To the second term.
So negative 3 times negative, take care about the signs. So negative 3 times negative 2 means positive 6. Then AB times B means A B squared. Then finally, that term again to the last one. So negative 3 times 3 means a negative 9.
Negative 9.
AB.
B.
Now it's clear, guys?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, great.
Have we finished?
One more example. If it's like this. And this time the bracket will be on the left like this, a squared. I want to change the order so that I want to trick you. So a squared minus ab minus 2b squared times 4a only, like this. Okay, such type of questions, guys, it will be the same, okay? But simply I will write it like this, 4a times this bracket, a squared minus ab minus 2b squared. Then complete the solution. 4a times a squared, 4a power 3. 4a times ab, okay? It's a negative, so negative 4. A times a means a squared, and then b. 4a times the last one. 4 times a negative 2 means negative 8. A times b squared means ab squared. That's it. Now it's clear, guys?
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Yes.
Okay, one more example, okay, like this. Just 1 second, and concentrate with me well in this one. It's 2x times 3x minus 2, then plus 3x times x plus 1. How to solve this one? It's very easy. It will be the same, mister. Nothing will change. How? First, I will multiply 2x by 3x. So 2 times 3 means 6. X times x means x squared. Then 2x times a negative 2 means a negative 4x. Then we finished that one. Then plus, so plus 3x to the next bracket. So 3x times x means 3x squared. Then 3x times 1. So plus 3x times 1 means a 3x. Okay, now it's finished? Yes. But now there is like terms here, guys. We can add or subtract them. This is 6x.
باور 2 3x باور 2 والنيجاتيف 4x وبوزيتيف 3x.
Exactly. So 6x squared plus 3x squared means 9x squared. Okay, guys?
Okay, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, mister.
Okay, then negative 4x plus 3x, so negative x.
نيجاتيف x.
يا مستر دخلتني. انا خرجت عشان كان قاعد يعلق فخرجت بره الحصه ودخلت اخيرا دخلتني.
مين يوسف؟
ايوه.
سوري يا يوسف، ما ببصيتش على الويتنج روم. سوري يا يوسف.
مستر
في واحده مستر بالصدر فعمال ينفخ في المايك.
اوكي يا شباب، خلونا نكمل.
ايوه مستر، في واحد قاعد ينفخ في المايك.
Let's continue. Guys, again, I will send you the YouTube link so that you can subscribe to the channel, okay? You will find the videos uploaded there, okay? I sent you the link right now, okay? So let's
بس احنا هنخلص امتى؟
actually within 2 minutes like this, okay? Actually, we finished the lesson 4 and lesson 5. Okay, one more example, guys. One more example.
Teacher, you will be a good streamer.
I don't know. I don't care about that one, you know. Just I want to upload the video so that you can revise the lessons. That's it. You know, I will upload it like
ناس
this.
كتير على فكرة بيعملوا حصص على اليوتيوب وبيبعتوها ومنها بياخدوا الدرع الفضي ل100,000 وكده.
I don't know
مستر
about
انا
all this
هفضل عامله
stuff.
لحضرتك سبسكرايب لحد ما حضرتك توصل للمليون ان شاء الله.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's solve this question, guys.
احنا معاك يا مستر.
Okay, if it's like this, 2a times a plus 4b minus 3b times a minus 3b, then minus 2a squared plus 8b squared. Okay, so concentrate well, guys, on this one. How to solve this one? First, multiplication, right? 2a multiplied to this bracket. Okay, so it's very easy, mister. I will multiply 2a to the first term, so 2a squared. Then again 2e to the second term, so 2a times 4b means and it's a positive, so positive. 2 times 4 means 8 and AB. Then what? Negative 3B times A. Okay, so negative 3AB. Okay, then negative 3B again. We multiplied it to the first, then multiplied to the second. Negative 3B times a negative 3B. So negative times a negative means positive 9B squared. Okay, then what? Then minus all this term. Okay, so minus 2A squared, minus 2A squared. Guys, take care. It's a negative sign outside the bracket, so negative 2A
We
squared
make
and minus
positive 8
again.
to negative 8.
Yes, exactly, 8B squared. Now simplify. Okay. Do we have like terms? We are going to check. 2A squared minus 2A squared means 0, right? Then
Yes, Mister.
Right.
this term is 8AB minus 3AB. So 8 minus 3 means 5AB.
5AB.
Then the last two terms, 9B squared minus
It will
8B
be negative
squared.
B2. It will
No,
be
no, no.
negative B2. Negative
Why
B2.
negative? Why negative? This one is positive. 9B
Positive
squared minus
B2.
2,
Yes,
so
yes, it will be
only plus B.
B2 only. Positive
Now it's
B2.
clear, guys?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, guys, actually we finished the lesson 4 and lesson 5, okay? Hopefully all of you understands the lesson, okay?
Okay.
Mister,